Welcome to ABR Market Watch. Dive into the world of finance with us, where daily market updates meet real-time analysis. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing now, and let us empower your investment decisions. In today's financial landscape, we see two significant stories unfolding. Firstly, there is the potential acquisition of XYZ Corporation by ABC Incorporated, a move that could transform the industry and create a powerful force in the sector if successful. Preliminary discussions are underway, with both parties expressing optimism about reaching an agreement. The merger aims to capitalize on the complementary strengths of each company, offering benefits such as expanded market access, diversified product portfolios, and increased revenue streams for ABC Incorporated, while XYZ Corporation could expect financial stability, broader market reach, and potential cost savings. However, the deal is contingent upon regulatory approvals from global authorities. Moving on to geopolitical developments, tensions between Israel and Iran have sparked concerns in the financial markets. U.S. equity futures have seen moderate declines amid speculation about President Trump's decision to back Israel militarily. This cautious sentiment among traders has led to small declines in various equity indexes across Asia. The crude oil market, particularly West Texas Intermediate, has been under close scrutiny this week due to the Middle East conflict. The price of Brent futures includes a geopolitical premium of around $8 per barrel due to the ongoing conflict between Israel and Iran. Any potential US intervention could further escalate this premium, though the exact impact depends on the nature of the involvement. In Thailand, the political future of Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra hangs in the balance following mounting opposition calls and street protests for her resignation after a leaked phone call where she criticized her army. Finally, let's touch upon market movements. S&P 500 futures fell 0.3%, Hang Seng futures dropped 0.2%, Nikkei 225 futures decreased by 0.2%, and S&P ASX 200 futures fell 0.1%. The euro rose 0.1% to $1.1509, the Japanese yen strengthened 0.1% to 145.30 per dollar, the offshore yuan remained unchanged at 7.1853 per dollar, Bitcoin climbed 0.4%, Ether rose 0.7%, and the yield on 10-year Treasury stayed constant at 4.39%. West Texas Intermediate crude saw a 0.4% increase to $75.45 a barrel, while spot gold was virtually unchanged. Investors are advised to closely monitor these developments, particularly the potential merger and geopolitical tensions, as they have significant implications for market performance.